Hello dear student. See, in this lecture we are going to see bis azodides. Bis azodides. Okay, bis azodides. These dyes are having two N double bond N linkages. Okay, these bis azodides are having two N double bond N linkages in their structure. Okay, in last two lecture we have seen synthesis of monoazodides like orange 4, erichrome black tea. Okay, these are what? Monoazodides. While this is what? Bis azodides. Example of bis azodide is what? Congo Red. Okay, see, Congo Red is having the structure Congo Red is having a structure like this. This is what the structure of Congo Red. Sorry, I forgot to mention N double bond N here. Here also there is what? N double bond N. N, just correct it. N double bond N linkage is here. NH2 SO3H. So this is what the structure of Congo Red dye. Okay, see, this Congo Red dye is having, this is one azo group and this is what? Second azo group. Okay, it's what? A Congo Red. It's a bis azo dye. It's a bis azo dye as it is having two N double bond N linkages in their structure. Now let us see synthesis of this Congo Red. Synthesis of Congo Red dye. Congo Red. Okay, see, synthesis of Congo Red involves a starting material nitrobenzene. Okay, nitrobenzene is a starting material for synthesis of Congo Red. Okay, so when we will react nitrobenzene with zinc NaOH, zinc is coupled with what? Sodium hydroxide. Zinc is coupled with sodium hydroxide. So it's a reducing reagent, zinc, sodium hydroxide. So these nitrobenzene will undergo reduction to form hydrazobenzene. To form what? Hydrazobenzene. This is what? Hydrazobenzene. Okay, so nitrobenzene is on reduction gives hydrazobenzene. Now in next step this hydrazobenzene is reacted with concentrated hydrochloric acid. This hydrazobenzene is reacted with what? Concentrated hydrochloric acid. So what we will get? See, we will get a benzidine. What we will get? A benzidine. A compound called benzidine. So and this reaction is called benzidine rearrangement. Okay, the reaction involved, that is reaction of hydrazobenzene with concentrated HCl to give benzidine. Okay, benzidine is nothing but this compound. Okay, and the reaction which is involved here is called benzidine rearrangement. Benzidine rearrangement. Okay, rearrangement, it is one of the class of organic reaction where the skeleton of molecule undergo changes. Okay, this bond will breaken and that ring will get changed. Okay, skeleton, okay, complete skeleton of molecule got changed here. So we will get here benzidine through a benzidine rearrangement reaction. Name of this compound is called benzidine. Now in next step, okay, in next step this benzidine is reacted with what? Sodium nitrite, NaNO2, hydrochloric acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, okay, at lower temperature. So we have to use here excess of sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. Okay, we have to use what? Excess of sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. Why? Because we have to diazotize this NH2 group also, and we have to diazotize this NH2 group also. Okay, so diazotize, so we can say we have to tetraazodize this benzidine. We have to tetraazodize this benzidine by using sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So what we will get? See, we will get a tetraazotide salt of benzidine. Tetraazotide salt of benzidine. Okay, so this salt we will get. So we can say for this step tetraazotization. Okay, this is what? Tetraazotization. Tetraazotization, as there is azotization of 2NH2 functionality. So we will get this tetraazotide salt. Now this tetraazotide salt, see, I will write it here. This tetraazotide salt is coupled with what? Okay, so we have to couple this tetraazotide salt with what is this? Okay, we have seen this intermediate in last semester. Okay, it's a naphthalenic acid. Okay, so we have to tetraazotize this salt with naphthalenic acid, isn't it? This is what? Naphthalenic acid. So naphthalenic acid plus, write that salt, Okay. Right, second mole of naphthalenic acid. We will require 2 moles of naphthalenic acid here. NH2 SO3H. So this is what? Naphthalenic acid, naphthalenic acid. Now see this position. Okay, here also this position. They are what? Electronic rich position with respect to this amino functionality. Okay, with respect to this amino functionality. Ortho position is what? More electronically rich. Hence, coupling will take place at this position with respect to ortho position to this amino. Okay, so in next step there will be a coupling. Okay, in next step there will be a what? Coupling. Coupling will take place in presence of dilute hydrochloric acid at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, coupling would take place in presence of what? Dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, at 0 degrees Celsius. Now see, that is in acidic medium this coupling will take place to get a Congo red dye. Okay, so see, Congo red dye is, we will get like this. I will write the structure of Congo red here. NH2 SO3H. Okay, see, then there will be a what? N double bond N. This N double bond N is joined to this. Now in next step there will be N double bond N linkage again with another molecule of naphthalenic acid. Okay, so this is what a Congo red dye. This is what a Congo red dye. Okay, in this way Congo red dye is synthesized. Once again I am repeating the process of synthesis. See, in Congo red dye, synthesis of Congo red dye, nitrobenzene. Okay, nitrobenzene is reacted with what? Zinc sodium hydroxide. So reduction will take place to get a hydrazobenzene, isn't it? Hydrazobenzene. Now this hydrazobenzene is on reaction with what? Concentrated hydrochloric acid, isn't it? So there will be what? Hydrazobenzene will undergo rearrangement. It is called benzidine rearrangement. So we will get what? Benzidine. We will get what? Benzidine. So there will be a what? Conversion of hydrazobenzene to benzidine. Now benzidine in next step it is reacted with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid in excess amount. So there will be what? Tetraazotization. So benzidine will undergo tetraazotization, that is both the NH2 group of benzidine will get converted into diazonium salt. Okay, so that diazonium salt of benzidine is reacted with what? Naphthalenic acid, 2 moles of naphthalenic acid. So in presence of dilute hydrochloric acid, so we will get what? Congo red dye. This is what? Bis azo dye, Congo red dye. Now what is the use of Congo red dye? What is the use of Congo red dye? See, it is direct acid azo dye. Congo red dye is what? Direct acid azo dye. It is used for dyeing cotton. It is used for dyeing cotton fiber. Okay, and see, this dye is also changes their color in what? Different pH of the medium. Hence this Congo red dye is also used as a indicator. This Congo red dye is also used as a indicator. So it's a use of this Congo red dye. So this is what synthesis of Congo red dye and its use of Congo red dye. I hope you have understood this topic. We'll stop here. Thank you very much. Thank you.